Welcome to Cooking Life with Des. At ito na naman po ang inyong cook na mayabang ngunit hindi mayaman. At today, magluluto tayo ng chocolate rice or champorado. Perfect for this season. We need any kind of chocolate, but here I am going to use 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. 2 packs of 50 grams coconut milk powder, or you can use 1 cup of coconut milk. 1 cup of sugar, and here I am going to use white sugar, but you can use any kind of sugar. 1.5 glasses of glutinous rice, malagkit or sticky rice. Oil, 4 glasses of water. Let us start cooking. Dissolve the coconut milk powder into 1 glass of water. Make sure to dissolve it nicely. Add the dissolved coconut milk powder to the boiled water and then add another 6 glasses of water. Add 1 cup of sugar, but in here it's up to you if how much do you want or how much sugar do you want. It depends on your preference. Mix it well and let it boil. Don't cover it to avoid overflowing. While boiling the water, let us wash the rice. After washing, let us add it on the boiled water. Mix it well. Remember, we are using glutinous or sticky rice here, so there might be sticking with each other. You will notice that the bubbles is now coming up on the water. So we would love to remove it, but it's optional. If you don't want to remove it, it's up to you. Let it boil, and time to time you have to mix it. As I said, this is a sticky rice or malagkit, and there might be or it will be sticking each other if you don't mix. Add 1 glass of water direct from the faucet. Add 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder and dissolve it nicely. Add it to the porridge and mix it well. Let it boil, but don't cover it, and mix it time to time. After 15 minutes, you will notice that it got more sticky. Now it's getting cooked, but it's not yet cooked. After 30 minutes of cooking and keep on mixing, now it will be like this. And it is now cooked, so we have to turn off the fire or the flame and let it get cool. Let us add milk powder as the toppings. Or you can use milk butter as the toppings as well. Or just simply use fresh milk, full milk, or any other milk that is available at home. And also eat it plain and it's really fine. Thank you so much for watching, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Have a great day.